Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Clear stubborn weeds fast with powerful heat solutions designed for driveways, patios, and gardens, delivering reliable performance every season today. Best weed burner torch reviews highlight safety, fuel efficiency, durable construction, and user-friendly ignition systems for effortless outdoor maintenance projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Flame King Weed Burner Torch. The Flame King Weed Burner Torch is a powerful all-around propane tool designed for homeowners and professionals who need serious heat for demanding outdoor tasks. With an impressive 500,000 BTU output and a flame that can reach nearly 2 feet long, this torch makes quick work of stubborn weeds, thick ice, and heavy-duty cleanup jobs. It's not limited to weed control either. This versatile torch is also useful for melting snow, removing paint or parking lot markings, thawing frozen pipes, and even handling roofing or asphalt repairs. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, allowing better control during extended use, while the built-in safety lever valve adds an extra layer of protection. Arriving fully assembled with a generous 10-foot hose, it gives you excellent reach without constantly repositioning the propane tank. Compatible with standard propane cylinders and CSA certified for safety and reliability, the Flame King torch is a dependable, ready-to-use solution backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 2. Ivation 10-inch Weed Burner Torch. The Ivation 10-inch Weed Burner Torch is a robust propane-powered tool built for high heat performance across a wide range of applications. Delivering up to 500,000 BTUs, it's highly effective for killing weeds, melting ice, thawing frozen pipes, and tackling demanding tasks like roofing, asphalt work, or metal heating. The torch arrives fully assembled and includes a 10-foot hose that provides excellent mobility, making it easier to work across large outdoor areas without constantly moving the propane tank. Its durable, cool-touch grip enhances comfort and safety even during longer projects, while the adjustable flame control allows you to fine-tune heat output for precision or boost it to a high-intensity super flame when needed. Measuring around 37 inches in total length, it offers solid control and balance for both professional and DIY use. Overall, the Ivation Weed Burner Torch combines power, reach, and control in a reliable design suited for heavy-duty outdoor work.
Number 3. GAGITER 10-foot Weed Burner Torch. The GAGITER 10-foot Weed Burner Torch is a thoughtfully designed propane torch that balances power, safety, and convenience for outdoor and utility tasks. Its large nozzle produces a strong, even flame that helps eliminate weeds efficiently while saving time and effort. One standout feature is the included storage bag, which makes it easy to transport and store the torch while protecting it from damage. The built-in igniter allows for quick, hassle-free starts, and the gas valve with turbo trigger enables one-handed flame adjustment for better control. Designed with an ergonomic handle, it remains comfortable to use during extended periods. Safety is a major focus, with CSA-certified components, a German-made valve seal ring, and internal mechanisms that restrict propane flow in case of leakage. The 10-foot CSA-certified hose adds both reach and safety, reducing the need to bend or crouch. Overall, the GAGITER torch is a reliable, well-rounded option for weeding, heating, and general outdoor use. Number 4. tarcegta 10-foot Weed Burner Torch. The tarcegta 10-foot Weed Burner Torch is built for users who want maximum heat and efficiency when dealing with tough weeds and demanding outdoor tasks. With an extremely powerful output of up to 800,000 BTU and temperatures reaching as high as 3,200 degrees Fahrenheit, this torch can quickly burn through dense weed growth and large areas with minimal effort. Its design focuses on convenience and ease of use, featuring piezoelectric ignition for safe push-button starting and a turbo blast trigger that allows precise flame adjustment with one hand. The adjustable length, supported by extension rods and a long hose, helps reduce bending and strain while reaching tight corners or wide spaces. Constructed from flame-resistant materials, the torch is built for durability and long-term use. Whether you're clearing weeds, melting ice, or handling other high-heat outdoor tasks,
the tarcegta weed burner offers exceptional power combined with practical control and safety features.
Number 5. Generic 16.4-foot weed burner torch. The generic 16.4-foot weed burner torch stands out for its extreme heat output and versatile design, making it suitable for both heavy-duty and everyday applications. Producing up to an impressive 1,900,000 BTU, this torch delivers rapid and efficient weed elimination, while also handling tasks like ice melting, pipe thawing, roofing, and surface heating with ease. The self-igniting mechanism simplifies operation, allowing for quick starts without extra tools. It includes 3 interchangeable nozzles, enabling users to switch between different flame styles depending on the job at hand. An adjustable flame control dial and flame lock feature provide consistent heat without the need to hold the trigger continuously, improving comfort during longer tasks. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while the extended hose offers flexibility and reach. Overall, this weed burner torch is a powerful, adaptable tool designed for users who want maximum performance and control in one package.
Choosing the right weed burner torch can transform your outdoor cleaning routine into a faster, safer, and more satisfying experience. Focus on build quality, flame control, and fuel compatibility to get lasting performance. Invest wisely, maintain properly, and enjoy cleaner spaces with less effort year-round.